Hey everyone, it's JP from the Letnick Estates Group, and today we're going to take you through an almost finished completed build project from Carrington Homes in Upper Mission, Kelowna. It's 5,400 square feet, triple car garage, beautiful quartz countertops throughout. So we're going to take you through. Now take a look at this living room, really high ceilings, beautiful windows facing north-northwest, and a custom tiled fireplace for you to enjoy and entertain your friends. If we come over here, you can see again, beautiful windows that open up to the view. You've got a partial lake view here with mountain. And then down below you have your own swimming pool, which is currently being built. So you'll be able to enjoy the summer in Kelowna in your own swimming pool. Then if we come into the kitchen area, you can see here we're going to have an industrial style fridge, quartz countertops with waterfall, double sink, dishwasher, cooktop over here, lots of custom cabinetry, and these are all slow close drawers. Through the kitchen we have the butler's pantry, which also connects over into the patio. Large patio, lots of power outlets, natural gas hookup. It's a beautiful place, lots of privacy. There's no one in front of you here, so you can have lots of time to entertain your friends. And look at that view. You have a view on that side and a view of that side of the lake, which is just beautiful. You can see the Okanagan-Kelowna Bridge over there. Then if we come back through into the house, from the butler's pantry, we can connect into the triple car garage mudroom. So here we have the mudroom. You could have extra storage here or add a closet. There's custom cabinetry that's been built in here along with coat hangers. The triple car garage has very high ceilings, which is great if you wanted to have an extra truck or put in a boat over here. Lots of space for your toys. So we're on the top level of the home. It's quite expansive. There's 3 bedrooms up here. Each bedroom has its own washroom, which is great. The laundry room is also up here, but you'll see another spot here for entertaining your friends. There's a TV wall mount. You could put in an electric fireplace in the wall. And then there's another expansive patio here on the second level, which also connects to the master bedroom. So you have beautiful views from both top and lower levels. Over here is a 1 bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite, but we're going to go over here to where the master bedroom is. And you can see through these double French doors, large master bedroom, recessed lighting, central audio system in the ceiling, sliding patio door here to go to the patio, which is awesome with a beautiful view and a privacy wall. And then we have the master ensuite, very large countertop with his and her sinks, and then a beautiful custom tiled shower with recessed lighting inside of the spot for your shampoos, a private toilet room, and then a walk-in closet with 3 horizontal windows, so you have beautiful lighting in here during the day. The washroom floor is also heated, so in the wintertime you can have warm feet. So back out through the master bedroom. To the left here we have the laundry room, which also has quartz countertops, and it's layered for the levels so that you can have a sink here to easily wash your clothes. Now both other bedrooms on this other level have beautiful south-facing windows, so you have lots of natural sunlight throughout the day. Large rooms that could fit easily a queen-size bed. You have walk-in closets and en-suites. Here's the 3rd bedroom upstairs. Again, south-facing windows with lots of natural sunlight. You have a walk-through bathroom ensuite into the walk-in closet on the other side. So every single bedroom has its own washroom on the top level, which is great. No one needs to share. So we're going to head downstairs now to the basement level and we'll show you the suite. This is the downstairs area of the home. This is part of the main area, not the suite, but you can see there's a nice little entertainment rec room here that leads off to the pool area. So this is currently getting poured in the next little bit. You can see the rebar is already placed down. There's a nice deep swimming pool that's going to be here, so you're going to be able to enjoy in the Okanagan. Over here we have a full bathroom downstairs so that your guests can have access to a washroom while they're being entertained at the pool. There's another bedroom down here if you wanted to have a guest room or one of the kids to stay in the basement. I know I used to live in the basement when I was a kid and I used to love it. There's an extra storage room here. This could be an office or a den. And then through the mechanical room, we have access to the suite. Hot water on demand system, which is perfect. This is a lower cost way of using your hot water, and this lasts a lot longer. There's also a standalone hot water tank for the suite here, so that you have separate hot water for the different people that are living in the home. We walk through here. This is going to be the laundry. You can see the hookups are over here. And then this comes through into the kitchen of the suite. We're in the main suite right now. We just came through the mechanical and laundry room. This is vinyl plank flooring with a nice island, some detailed subway tiles. It does have its own separate entrance off of the patio, which is quite nice. If we come through, we're going to see 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is a walkout style floor plan. So you're going to have a lot of natural light from the windows in all of the bedrooms and in the kitchen. We have a full bathroom over here, and then a second bedroom at the end of the hall. So this is quite a nice size legal suite. It's probably around 900 or so square feet, and beautiful views even from downstairs in the suite. You'd be able to get a good price of rent for this area. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. This is the home almost completed. We're going to do another video later on, coming back once the home is completely finished so you can take a look at the comparison. But this gives you a really good idea of what it looks like from this point forward. It's a beautiful home. Remember, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.